We're on our way down to go trick-or-treating here at the Great Wolf Lodge. And we figured we'd take you with us. Alright, so we've gotten our Halloween trick-or-treat bags here. And now we're going to go around some trails.
And the adults are trick-or-treating too.
Yes, adults are trick-or-treating. Alright. Okay, come on. Come on, Devin. Alright. Come on.
Hey guys, go.
Trick or treat. Thank you. There you go. Yeah. Oh, sorry. We're trying to teach Devin how to trick or treat. So Devin's going trick-or-treating. You having fun, Devin? Yeah, you want to go around another time. I don't blame you. Oh, look at, there's some picture ops too we have to get. Get some with you. What about, we need to get you right over here. Yeah, let's do that. They do have, we have the mad scientist here. And we have another guy over there. I'm not sure what he is. He looks like he's got a cape on. We'll have to figure out what he is.
He's shy. He's not shy.
Thank you. All right, let's go see who this guy is. Now this one I'm going to get another one of. He has Fun Dip. All right. You kind of sound like Santa.
I know.
Trick or treat.
I know. I don't have that evil voice.
What are you supposed to be?
I just extra hour.
Just some weirdo?
A magic one. Well, he's sporting his.
Oh, magic. Okay, so you're a wizard.
Well, yeah, I think so. I'm enlightened. I got enlightened spirit, but it's hard to be kind of that dark. So that's why he's here to Santa.
Okay, there you go. That works then. All right, so we've met a couple friends. I want you guys to meet them.
Hi.
What's your names?
My name is Lyric.
Twins.
Yeah, we're twins.
Yes.
Well, actually triplets.
Oh, triplets.
Triplets?
The third one where?
He's in the water.
Oh, okay.
No, he's in the car. I'm not in the water. Yeah.
Well, thank you for saying hi. Bye. Hey, Devin, did you have fun trick-or-treating?
Yeah, well, I'm not ready to play mom.
Devin.
You gonna tell everybody if you had fun?
I had fun.
You had fun? And look at the candy he got. He got all kinds of little hard candy, some sweet, soft ones.
That's